Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a case study on air pollution. So what are the reasons are there for to affect the air pollution and then to create the harmful emission to the environment, and then how these things are affected the human beings and the animals and then plant also. So this air pollution is the major issue in all over the world. So this pollution will create the major issues to the human beings, not only human beings, animals and plants also. So we are in the situation to control as much possible as into the minimum the quantity, so that we can minimize the pollution. What are the major causes for the air pollutions are the automobile sector and the industry. So the major reasons are the pollution or the emissions emitted from the automobile and then automobile vehicles and then industry. So these are the major causes for air pollution, and then so the air pollution can result from both human and then natural action. So these are the very harmful to the environment. And then the natural events that pollute the air include the forest fires, so and then volcanic eruptions, the wind eruption, and then for the pollution dispersion, then evaporation of organic components. So these are the major issues to the environment. See here, so we are in situation or the critical situation. So then as a the human being and then educated persons are in these, so we have to make an awareness into the society to what is the importance of the controlling the air pollution, and then and then to control how to minimize the harmful emissions to the environment. It is our duty to prevent these emission, and then to prevent the environment from these non these are in the toxic emissions. And then what are the emission sources that to cause the air pollution? And then see here the major concern are with the industry that occupy the most, that is more than 50 percentage or almost the 52 percentage for the these are reasons for the air pollution, and then 27 percentage of with the transportation. So these industry emissions and then transportation emissions are the major the reasons for the air pollution. So we need to control and then minimize the emissions that are that is hazardous emission, that is more toxic emission emitted from these two sectors, and then to control and then to filter those toxic pollution, and then to that is called we can emit to control these pollution. And then the consumer and then commercial products that 88 percentage, and then residual heating 1%, agriculture maybe the burning of some plants that may leads to 10 percentage of the sources for the air pollution, and then rather some may occupy 2%. And then causes of air pollution are the burning of fossil fuels, that may be the automobile and then transportation sector, and then for industry. So while burning of those fossil fuels, we can get the toxic emissions while burning of these fossil fuels. Major components includes the sulfur dioxide that is emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and then other factory combustible are some of the major causes for air pollution. So the pollution emitting from the vehicles, including trucks, then cars, trains, airplanes, chief causes the immense amount of pollution. Yes, and then while so the that is the emission is extracted from while burning of these fossil fuels or the toxic, and then it is very hazardous to the environment as well as the human beings. So it directly affect the human beings, plants, and the animals. So we need to control those pollution, and then exhaust from the factories and industries. Yes, these are the, yes, manufacturing industries release large amount of carbon monoxide, that is hydrocarbon, and then organic components, and then chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. So day by day, nowadays we are in the situation getting the quality of air is very poor, and then while inhaling those air by the human being, animals, and plants, it directly affect the health. Then directly we are in the critical stage with in order in the, with the help of and then sorry, not with the help of, and then directly affect our health. And then the air pollution, and then yes, it is the air pollution in India, with the most populated cities in the world. So among 30 cities, India occupy those 21 cities in the year of 2019, that is before COVID. So see the situation of the air pollution in India. Out of 30, the 21 in India is the major concern, and then the government has to take the action. Yes, nowadays there are strict pollution norms are is there. Even though with the norms, still we are directly affecting the environment with the help of with the source of the air pollution. And then we, yes, the India with 140 millions of people, and then we are and then so we just think about the status, and then of the worldwide. So we need to have the strict norms, and then each and everyone is the responsible for the air pollution. And then these are the top most polluted cities in the world. And then in the year of 2021, see the list. India has marked by the major cities. And then we as the human being and the responsible person to control these emissions in order to secure the safe living environment in the world. Thank you.